Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable Bluetooth on Windows 10. It is quite easy to turn on or off Bluetooth on a Windows 10 machine. Here is how to do it. First, open the Settings app by pressing the Windows +I keyboard shortcut or any other method you prefer to use. Then, click on Devices. In the left sidebar, select Bluetooth and other devices. After that, move the cursor to the right sidebar and toggle Bluetooth to the on or off position to enable or disable it respectively. That's it. Let me know how this video is. Do you like more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel, Garup Windows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.